What is up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video we're going to talk about sticking to the plan when it comes to stacking silver or stacking precious metals in general. It is important to have a plan and stick to it. So I will talk about what a good plan would be, but first we're going to go take a look at what's going on in the markets because precious metals are blowing up right now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's go take a look at what's going on in the markets. First up, we got precious metals. The spot price is actually the number on the right. Gold is up $31.60 at the moment, over $19.40 an ounce. Silver up $1.05. Sitting at $25.57, which that's a huge jump up for silver. Platinum up $12, palladium up $73, and no change in rhodium. Here's a look at the 24-hour chart for silver. Now this one's got the high at $25.50, so silver's actually come up at least $1 today. You know, where's it going to go from here? It's anyone's guess. By the time I post this video, it could be dramatically different from where it is now, but at the moment it's on the rise and it's continuing to go up. Crude oil has gone up to over $104 a barrel at the moment. You know, this is one of those things we've been talking about. Oil is up. You know, it seems like it's going to keep going up. Gas prices are going to be going up this year, so I hope you all are prepared for that. Over in the stock market, Dow Jones down considerably. NASDAQ, S&P 500 also going down. The US dollar index is up though, so this is very interesting. The dollar is rallying and precious metals are rallying at the same time. Cryptos are also going up. Not a huge rally in cryptos today, but it seems like you want to be anywhere but the stock market at this point. Over here on Kitco News, we have the AM/PM roundup article by Jim Wyckoff. The headline is "Gold Silver Power Higher Amid Keen Marketplace Anxiety." And I think that's basically what's going on right now. People are worried about the Russia-Ukraine situation. In the news, you know, we've seen Russia is basically stepping up their attacks. So I know that Biden is supposed to talk about what's going on tonight. We'll see, you know, what he says. But right now, you know, the war rages on, the invasion continues. And I do think we'll have more volatility in the stock market, and you know, we could see gold and silver go much higher just because people are flocking to the safe haven assets. So gold and silver, you know, they've been that tried and true safe place to store your money when everything is going crazy. So today we're seeing them go up. That is what we expected them to do, and you know, I think we will probably continue to see them go up as long as all this craziness continues. Here is the gold price for today in green. So you can see big rally up, and then silver. It actually has come down a little bit since I started filming, but still huge rally up in silver. You know, we'll see where it goes from here. The last time I made a video talking about spot price, it changed like 50 cents in between me filming and posting. So we will see what happens. I'm not ruling anything out, but at the moment it is still up considerably and it is holding. Okay, now let's talk about sticking to the plan when it comes to stacking silver. And if you're just starting and you don't know what a good plan would be, let me explain. So when you're stacking, you don't want to make a huge purchase. You don't want to buy a bunch of metals at once. And this is because you could be buying at a peak. So a better strategy would be to dollar cost average, or just buy over time. Buy some this week, next week, etc. Or maybe every 2 weeks whenever you get your paycheck, or once a month, or whatever your plan is. Have a plan and stick to it. And also, don't buy on the peaks. I think this goes without saying, but when the price is going up, that is when you should be stacking a little bit of cash and waiting for the dips. So like today, silver is up $1. I would not go out and buy a bunch of silver today. In fact, this bag of 40% half dollars, I bought this yesterday, and I'm glad I did because you know, I saved money. If I would have waited and bought it today, I would have ended up having to pay more. This one here is kind of interesting. That is a bicentennial $0.50, but it is 40% silver, so kind of cool. You don't see those every day. You know, we can open this up, take a little look-see at the $0.50. The reason I bought these was because they were priced extremely well, and it was some of the only silver they had in the coin shop that was a decent price. These were actually at spot. And, you know, you can't really go wrong when you're buying silver at spot. At least that's what I keep telling myself. These here are some maple leafs I recently picked up. They are milky, milky, milky. And, you know, I guess if you're not familiar with milk spots, these will be a pretty good example here. You got some around the top and bottom. This is Queen Elizabeth from the 80s. You know, thin neck Lizzie. Actually, here's a more modern one. Ooh, look at the milk on that one. But yeah, she got a thicker neck. Anyway, yeah, I bought these because they were really cheap. And, you know, that's kind of a good strategy to have. Buy the cheap stuff. So I am going to be adding these to my maple monster box, but I don't have a tube that's milky maples yet. So I'll have to have a special tube for all of the, I guess, damaged ones. But anyway, I did buy some silver rounds as well. Silver rounds, very cheap. You know, one of the best things you can be buying. So look out for the good deals on silver rounds, silver bars, all that kind of stuff. But the bottom line is, don't be buying when the price goes up. And, you know, we get all of these emails from the different bullion dealers. They say, metals on the move, lock in your price now. And I get it. They're trying to make money. You know, they've got their marketing campaigns, everyone on their email list, they want to blow them up. Hey, you know, silver's going up. Maybe you should think about buying. It's kind of funny. If the price goes up or down, either way, I get an email from like every single bullion dealer. But, you know, some of them, they just want to cover the news. And I get that. I don't have any problem with that. I guess this is one of the most confusing things for new silver stackers, because let's say they buy a little bit of silver and then they see the price go up and they feel vindicated. They feel like they made a good purchase and they put their money in a good place because, hey, price went up. Obviously, it's doing well. So they think, let me go buy some more. And you really should not be trying to buy more again on those spikes. Wait for the dips. You know, when you see red across the board for precious metals, when you see silver come down, you know, 25 cents, 50 cents, those dips are when you should be buying. So that's a good plan. That's a good strategy. Have a plan and stick to it. But the bottom line is buy a little bit over time. Don't make these huge purchases. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you learned anything or if you want to help spread the word about precious metals, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and also definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll have a lot more videos coming out in the future talking about different strategies and spot price moves and what I'm doing and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. I do want to say a massive thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.